Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe. And the problem with this is that the transmission problem. They took this car to get checked and they said it needs a transmission. So right now they drove the car to work. As you can see, I don't have my tools and everything. I left my van where they work at because I was just going to try it out. But I said, you know what, she's not going to make it home. Let me drive it. I brought it to my place and I left my van where she works at for she can get to her house in my van. So I don't have tools. Lucky me, she had this in the trunk. So what I'm going to be doing is, because I drove it and it was a crazy drive over here. Every time I stopped, it started slipping and in a rough shifting, like whoom, whoom. And I thought I was going to go through the window. So this car does need a transmission. But what I'm going to do is, because a transmission is like maybe with labor and everything like $1,500, I'm going to be using bought leaks. I had this in my car. It's auto transmission repair. And it says 2 parts formula. And it says restore performance, stop leaks, slipping, and rough shifting. And then it said add protection, reduce heat and friction, stabilize fluid. And then it has the direction on how to use it here. It says direction. Pour entire container of the 2-chamber bottle into the transmission. Do not overfill. Depend on the transmission problem. Result will either be immediately or noticeable with 2 days or 100 miles of driving. In transmission with serious damage component, a second treatment may be required. In this case, it is suggested that the fluid and filter be changed and a second application of transmission repair be added. 1 bottle treat 8 to 8 quarts of fluid. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go find the transmission dipstick, and it's right here. And what we're going to do is this. I don't know how long it's going to take because this is a little funnel. Like I said, she has my van. And what we're going to do is just going to put this in here. And I already opened the metal piece inside there. And what we're going to do is just take it out. Has 2 formula. Hopefully I got good aim, because it's a crazy angle. Let's see. I don't want to do a mess on these people's car. Okay, let's see. Come on, Heck, you can do it. Come on. All right, there he goes. So I'm probably gonna have to go slow. So I'm putting the whole bottle because it was a little low on the transmission fluid. Well, let's see if this works. Bought leaks. A $10 bottle is better than a $1,500 job. I'll tell you that much. I'd rather spend $10 or whatever this can cost, $12, and then try my luck with this. I poured the whole bottle in, and I just wanted to read something what this bulk leak is claiming. It's right here. The result is a smoother shifting transmission with no leaks. Work with all type of transmission fluid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive this car for 2 days, and I'm gonna let you know if bulk leak really work. I have driven this car for a total of 5 days, and the first day it still was rough shifting, slippering, and the car wanted to go. Every time I went to stop, it was still going. The second day it slowed down, and then the third day it's like I wasn't feeling it, so I decided to go to 4th day, and the 4th day didn't do it, and today is the 5th day. It don't have a rough shifting. It doesn't. When I go to stop, it goes smoothly. I'm not gonna rate this on bought leaks, auto transmission repair, but I'm gonna tell you this much. It has worked so far for 5 days. I don't know what's gonna happen in the long run, but listen, it's better to spend $10 or $12, whatever we spend on this, than spending $1,500 on a transmission. If your transmission is acting up, you might as well give this ball leak automatic transmission a try. So this is it. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me at nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. Later.